wandered out, just chasing clouds above the hills, no one around. Then suddenly, like stars in spring, I saw the gold, a living ring beside the lake, beneath the trees. They danced and laughed upon the breeze. They shimmered like a galaxy, a million suns just shining back at me. And oh, my heart, it caught the thrill, and that quiet field so still. They whispered joy I can't explain, a light inside I can't contain. And even now, when all is still, I'm dancing with the daffodils. The waves nearby began to play, but flowers out sown them in their sway. No poet there could stay alone. Their beauty made this world my own. I stared so long, forgot the time. That moment burned into my mind. Now when silence pulls me in, I feel that feel like back then. And oh, my heart, it caught the thrill, and that quiet feels so still. They whisper joy I can't explain, a light inside I can't contain. And even now, when all is still, I'm dancing with the daffodils.